California's drought situation. Governor Gavin Newsom announcing his administration will ease some water restrictions statewide. Officials now say the state will likely deliver more water than previously anticipated to farmers and water agencies across California. Thanks for joining us. For Fox 40 News, I'm Nikki Lorenzo.
And I'm Eric Harriman. Fox 40 Capitol reporter Eitan Wallace was with the governor earlier today and reports for us tonight from Dunnigan in Yolo County with more on his message.
Well, the governor says all of the storms have been a huge help for California's water supply, ultimately resulting in today's announcement. But he stresses as it pertains to conservation, this is not the time to let our guard down. Water, it's arguably California's most precious resource. Thanks to recent storms and a Sierra snowpack more than 225% of average for this time of year, the governor says it's time to ease some water use restrictions.
It's not that complicated. It's that easy.
Newsom today signing this executive order to officially undo the state's request that Californians voluntarily cut back water usage by 15%. The governor also announcing the State Water Project, a 700-plus mile conveyance system that delivers water from Northern California through the Central Valley and Southern California, is expected to deliver 75% of its requested supplies in 2023. That is a big improvement from the last estimate in January, when state officials anticipated delivering just 35% of requested water supplies. All of it especially noteworthy because the State Water Project provides water to 29 public water agencies who in turn get that water to 27 million Californians and more than 750,000 acres of farmland.
It's a milestone. None of us could have imagined. We were having this conversation yesterday, a few months ago, that we'd be where we are today.
Farmers expressing some relief after years of extremely dry conditions.
Obviously, this is great news. Food grows where water flows.
Newsom's executive order also permits local districts, if they so choose, to refine some of their emergency water plans, including calls to limit outdoor watering. But even with that, he says California's water situation is not perfect.
Are we out of the drought? Is the drought over in the state of California? And what I want to affirm your instinct that it should be, it feels like it is and continues to be complicated.
That, he says, is because the storms did not provide much help to some California regions still in moderate or severe drought, including the Klamath Basin to the north, as well as areas in the southeast that depend on the shrinking Colorado River. Newsom says that's why he still urges conservation and is putting his focus on diverting flood stage water above ground and moving it to storage basins underground.
I think we need to do a better job.
Republican State Senator Brian Dahle says the state has not prioritized water capturing infrastructure. He's authored a bill to streamline reservoir construction, including the long-planned Sites Reservoir in Colusa County, set to go up sometime in the next decade.
They're expecting to get the permitting done by 2030. That's not acceptable. So we need to manage that water in a very more efficient way. Not just reducing water, but capture the water that's going to the ocean.
And Newsom makes clear restrictions on what his administration considers wasteful water practices like hosing down sidewalks. Well, those restrictions remain in effect. Reporting in Yolo County, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.